Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft Excel file directly in Dropbox, updated for the latest app interface. If you've ever wanted to start a spreadsheet on the go and have it saved automatically in the cloud, this quick guide is for you. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the big plus sign at the bottom center of the screen and tap it. That plus button is your gateway to new content in Dropbox. From the menu that appears, select Create New File. This opens a list of file types you can start with. Scroll through until you see Microsoft Excel. Tap on it to begin a brand new Excel workbook right within Dropbox. Now you'll be asked to name the file. Choose a clear, descriptive name that helps you find it later. For example, if you're budgeting for a trip, you might name it Trip Budget 2026. If it's for work, something like Q1_project plan works well. Enter the name exactly how you want it to appear and confirm. After naming, press OK to finalize the creation. Dropbox will generate a fresh Excel file with that name and open it in the Excel editor that's integrated into the app. From here, you can start typing data, add formulas, format cells, and create sheets just as you would in the desktop version.